Unleash your Webflow designs by integrating them directly with your favorite code editors and development environments using Webflow Devlink. First, navigate to your Webflow project settings. Look for the Devlink tab, which is your gateway to external development workflows. Within the Devlink settings, you'll find the crucial link code. This unique code is what establishes the connection between Webflow and your chosen development environment. Copy this link code. You'll need it for the next step. Think of this code as the digital handshake between your visual design and your coding workspace. Now, open your external code editor and create a new project inside your project. You'll find a designated area or configuration file to input the Devlink code you just copied. Paste the Devlink code into the designated spot. This action tells your code editor to synchronize directly with your Webflow project. With Devlink activated, any changes made to your Webflow project's structure, styles, or even components will be automatically reflected in your code editor. This means you're always working with the latest version. Conversely, you can also push code changes from your editor back to Webflow, allowing for a seamless development feedback loop. This bidirectional synchronization is incredibly powerful. For teams, Devlink revolutionizes collaboration. Developers can work on specific components or elements in their preferred environment, and those changes integrate effortlessly back into the Webflow project, streamlining handoffs and enhancing efficiency. The Devlink bridges the gap, empowering you to build stunning, dynamic websites faster and with greater precision.